Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change League of Legends language to Japanese. First, you have to go to settings. For accessing the settings menu, you just need to click on this profile icon. Then you will find the settings option. Go to settings and you will find the game of Riot clients available at the left side. I have Valorant right now. For some reason I don't have League of Legends right now, but you will find League of Legends like this, and you will find the same settings as the Valorant has. Then you will find game text language. You just need to click on this drop down menu and scroll down and search for Japanese. Here is, and after selecting that, you just need to close it and it will automatically saved for your game, and then you can access your League of Legends game with the Japanese language. That's easy. Hope you got this video. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.